Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today I'm going to show you how to install our canister style air cleaner kit on your Kawasaki FR series engine. To get started, the first thing we need to do is remove your old air filter and intake tube from the engine just using a flathead screwdriver. We will be reusing this hose clamp when we install the new air filter. Now you need to remove your airbox lid just using a Phillips head screwdriver. Now we can reuse those two screws to install our new air filter mounting bracket. Now we're going to be installing the two larger hose clamps that were included in your kit. You're going to insert these through the small hole at the top of the mounting bracket and then back out the small hole at the bottom of the mounting bracket. Now we need to install your new intake tube onto the air cleaner canister using one of the small hose clamps provided in the kit. We're just going to leave this hose clamp loose for now. The longer portion of the intake tube will be going down towards your carburetor. Now we can install the intake tube onto the carburetor side using the hose clamp that we retained from your original air cleaner setup. Now we can install the two large hose clamps around the air cleaner canister, but do not tighten these all the way down yet. To do this, you can use a flathead screwdriver or a 9/32 socket. Before we tighten down the hose clamps for the canister, we need to make sure that the canister is oriented with the opening for the dust hood sticking straight up. Once everything is properly aligned, you can go ahead and tighten down all four hose clamps. The last thing that we need to do is install our dust hood using the other small hose clamp provided in the kit. This air filter upgrade kit will work on the Kawasaki FR651, the FR691, and the FR730. You can find these kits on our website at powerequipmentman.com, and I'll leave a link in the description down below. That's going to wrap it up for today, guys. If you got some good value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.